We have a challenge where we have a sensor, ring wireless sensor, door sensor with the magnet, but I have existing garage doors, roll-up doors, with the existing magnet sensor, and I like to utilize that sensor, and that sensor is hardwired. This is not hardwired. It means I'm going to modify this ring module to accept the wires from external reading sensor. First thing, we'll open it. We open, remove the batteries. Boom. Not out. Okay. Remove the batteries. One. Nice hole for remove the battery. Second battery. Now we have to pry this piece out. Boom. Here. Okay, it's out. Now PC board will fall off. Come on. Let's remove the PC board. All right. You have to be careful with this button because this button will fall off and then you have to put it back. But here is this. Now, as you can see here, we have a reading sensor, internal reading sensor. It's a glass tube with the two metal pieces, and once you get close a magnet to it, they will magnetize and close the circuit. They call reading sensor. What I will do, I'll take this piece of wire. It's a typical, I think, garage sensor wire, but it's the solid wire. That's what I had here, but any wire can be. I already laid it before, you know, that I will call distance of that reading sensor when I will solder. I'm going to solder this one here. I'm soldering one side of the wire to the reading sensor. You should be careful with the static energy. I mean, I'm the static pad. These electronics are super sensitive to static energy, but also technology advanced and protection against static energy was really improved. It means so many things are very resistant, but don't want to destroy $20. Now, once I have this sensor installed, yeah, okay, this one is already soldered and parallel to the reading sensor. Now I have to make the access. I already did access here. I used a Dremel and I did small opening here for my wire to get out. Once I have this one in, double check for this button is in place and rubber seal, everything is in place because this will go there. Now I'm going to feed that wire through this my opening. See, as I said, this can fall off, but it's no problem, just kindly tiny piece. Then this goes back on. Boom, done. Now my wire goes in. Okay. I did a tiny hole, kindly smaller, then wire goes harder, like tied. Then I don't have to use any kind of silicone seal or something. I'll just put probably nail polisher on it and will seal perfectly. Okay. This one in. It should sit in, but it's not. Let's play with it. Okay. Okay. Once we put PC board in, now we install this this insert, this plastic insert. It should click. Yeah. click in place, back it was, then battery goes in, boom, second battery goes in, boom, and battery cover goes back, ta-da-da, and it's installed. This slides back this way, this way. Boom, and done. Now we have a ring sensor, wireless sensor, but reading the magnet. We don't have to use local magnet supply with it. We'll use an external sensor with the magnet, and it will work.